welcome to yet another video. No, that is Peter McKinnon. Yeah, this YouTube thing is somehow anyways, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what a deliberate content creation day in Ashakan's life looks like. It is 12 a.m. right now and I am making this video at 12 a.m. because I would not be able to make this video when I wake up because I have to leave home by 4:30. Sleeping starts now. 4 hours. Let's go.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
I heard you told your friends I'm just not your type. If that's how you really feel, why'd you call last night? Why you gonna lie like that? Why you gonna lie like that?
Why you gonna lie like that, man? Why you gonna lie like that? Why you gonna do that stuff? So yeah, I have arrived at my first destination, Isabella's house, and I came here because I want to take pictures for a footwear brand called Keeks, and also to shoot content for Isabella and also Ruth. Yeah, so we're going to take pictures and then we come back to shoot. And after that, we are going to Yusuf's studio to shoot an unboxing video for me. And after that, yeah, I think that's about what I'm doing today. So let me take you along. Let's go. So my shoes from Keeks came already and I am going to get it.
Right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too.
What's up, bitch ass niggas?
Go through that. Yeah. Pick up.
Oh, my friends, they grace.
Ruth, I really want to appreciate you, my friend, for this way you chow me up. I'm so appreciative of you. I just want to let you know. Please, will you buy dinner as well for me?
No, what's your mother's house?
It says made.
Well, I won't do edges too. I think.
The brand is called Setup.
Make I edge up. Make I view on the edge.
This house labor.
Yes. Bomb things, oh. Who is she twerking bomb for? You are twerking bomb
I
for
walk
Tim.
too fast.
You are twerking bomb for Timini. Excuse me, see, you are twerking bomb. Do you know who he is?
No, don't say that. I kind of got it, but
Congratulations.
I need to redo it.
I don't like all these TikTokers. She don't do this video 125 times. If you are a TikTok creator, from today I respect you because the work this individual has to go through with that ring light, that iPhone XR, and herself. Bro, she has recorded that video like 125 times, and I'm probably exaggerating, but it's a lot of work. Why? Why that stuff? So right now we are going to take pictures.
To create content
I
for
look
brands.
quite stupid,
No, I
but
should-
don't tell anybody. Shh.
Wait till you see it.
What's that?
Why did I do that?
I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. Oh my God. Hi guys. Right now, all I really have to say is Lagos is a crazy city. If you are not in Lagos and your friends are telling you to come to Lagos,
sit your ass down in Port Harcourt and Enugu and Calabar and Akwa Ibom. Sit your ass down. Anyways, it is 7 p.m. and I still have one more shoot to go today. I'm gonna get it done. Let's go. I'm leaving you because I got shit to do, dearie. Nobody leaves you. Cut the act. I will see you when the Lord pleases. Now you can let me go. Ruru, baby. Let me kiss your forehead because I can. Bye.
Hi guys, it is another day. I arrived at Yusuf's studio late last night and I couldn't shoot because BHCN, you know the vibes. So I'm going to get some fuel this morning and power on the generator and shoot. I have 2 shoots today. It's supposed to be 1, but then I have to do another one. So 2 today, and I hope I'm able to get them done. So let's go. Golden Penny sent me this festive bumper pack, and this is what I am going to be unboxing in the video I'm about to make. So it's basically an unboxing video. We'll see about that pretty soon. Let's get to setting up this stuff, shall we? So I got this light. It is the Godox SL60w. Yep. It's a video light basically. To just, enhance, because most of the time I'll be having like very, very bad lighting conditions, and this is supposed to help out. I also got it with a softbox, a modifier, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to show you guys what exactly is in it now. So that is that for the Godox SL60w. A little break in the prior sequence of my day. I have been called to come and shoot a behind the scenes of a studio session. So I cannot film my unboxing video right now anymore. I will do that when I get back. I'm sorry, but it do happen sometimes. Oh man, shele, me, Otutu dero magi. If you are Igbo, you understand the English version. Let's leave it at that. So I will see you guys when I return. Peace. Oh no. See my driver's name. Darlington. I really respect this dude. This guy with his speed die. If you get the joke, let me know. Okay, so we are done and back to the studio to shoot the unboxing video. It is already late, but we are still going to get it done. Let us quickly set up.
Look, people, I want bath.
Hey.
So if I want bath, yeah, let's go. Let's have. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. This is my shower.
Hi guys, so today is the 1st of August. It is a Saturday, and today I'm going to be making a video of me cooking spaghetti for the first time. I've never done it before, and I really look forward to what it is going to turn out like. So right now it is almost 5 p.m. so I'm gonna rush to the mart to get the ingredients I'm gonna use for this delicacy.
So, honestly, guys, I do not know the difference between supermarkets, marts, mall, mini marts. What's the difference, really? What's the difference? One is super, one is not super. So, mall, what's the difference between a mall and a mart?
A mall is a combination of markets all in one place.
Oh, like different.
Yes, so if one person owns it, I'm just this off my head. I'm just smart like that.
Anyways, I'm going to the mall. I'm going to I don't know which one I'm going to, but oh, never mind. It is a supermarket. Okay, whatever. Mall, supermarket, whatever. I don't care.
Shredded beef sauce, cashew and shredded beef sauce
Okay.
with the spaghetti.
You guys basket. Try to get one.
This is aesthetically pleasing to the eye.
Right. So guys, I've been shooting my cooking video, and this is what the set looks like. There's the camera up there, and yeah, one other one. So yeah, I'm kind of tired. So right now, I'm going to move on to the gas cooker there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah. So we did the cutting and cutting spices, everything, all the vegetables there. So right now we're going to move the setup to the gas cooker. I'm begging. Make and try. So, spaghetti is sweet. Forget that it's being that spaghetti is sweet. Hi guys, straight out of the kitchen. I'm just going to make a comment. Cooking is not easy. That's all I'm gonna say. So I just finished shooting my last shot right there, and we have come to the end of this session of content creation. Took 3 days to make this week's content, right? So yeah, this is basically what it'll be looking like in my life creating content, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are subscribed. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it right now. I'm begging you. Okay? On that note, I will see you in my next post. Safe.